Namaste family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Rude Cosmetics. A lot of you wanted me to review this brand, so here we are, and I'm ready to show you guys this entire look. I'm going to be sharing with you guys and also reviewing Rude Cosmetics. I have never tried them. This is my first time, so it's going to be also like a first impression. So we have this palette right here. Let me just go give you guys a rundown of everything that I got from them. So first thing first, we have their FairyTale eyeshadow palette, which brings 35 eyeshadow. Next we have their Rude Fearless face palette, which brings a blush, brings bronzer, and also highlighters. We also have a waterproof concealer. We also have a liquid lipstick. We also got some glitter, you guys, which I'm super excited to be using because I love glitter. And last but not least, we got this baby right here, which is the Wishes Do Come True Primer Oil. We are going to be glowing today. So I'm definitely going to show you guys swatches of the palette because I know you guys want to see that, and of course how they swatch and all the thing, and then we're going to be using it on our eyelids. Rude Cosmetics, they were founded in 2016, so they're pretty much a very new brand, and they are located here in the US in Los Angeles, California, which is pretty awesome. And they do offer a variety of stuff on their website, from liquid lipstick, from concealer, bronzers, eyeshadow palettes. Their theme is always super cute. Today we're going to be focusing on the FairyTale eyeshadow palette, so let's go ahead and show you guys the swatches right now. And also I just wanted to quickly show you guys the swatches of the Fearless face palette, which brings 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters. And I think now, you guys, we could get right into the eyeshadow look. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I do have my eyes prepped with some concealer. I did use their concealer, by the way, just in case you guys are interested. Love it. Anyways, let's get right into this look. I'm first gonna start with this shade right here on my far out right hand. I definitely have to say, you guys, when I was picking up the colors with my finger on the palette, they definitely, like, it looks super powdery, and like a lot of eyeshadow were scraping off and falling off. And also when I use a brush and just like dip it in, like a lot of powder start coming out. And when you do this, you do this, do this. Whoa. So just wanted to let you know that. So I'm gonna start applying this on the crease. This is gonna be this transitioning shade. Oh, I already like how the color is already showing up. Very nice. Okay, you guys, so definitely have to say that these are blending in really nice. You could definitely see it. It looks really pretty, but they feel very soft, that despite having so much like fallouts when you dig it in with your brush, I'm not having any fallouts on my face, which is kind of crazy. I really like it. So far, it's so good. It looks really nice. Yes. I am now taking this shade right here, you guys, to darken up the crease. We're definitely gonna be working with a lot of warm tone, but first let's go ahead and start darkening the crease. It feels so smooth, you guys. Like, look at the application. Once you apply, it's like boop, blend in, boop, so quick, and they look so smooth. They feel so smooth. Ooh, I really like how they apply. It's super weird. It kind of starting to look a little bit patchy. I don't know. Let's keep going. So I'm just going back a little bit more just to make sure those edges are blended. The crease is very well blended. Like, you see that right there? It's... Whoa, that's so weird. Okay, let's apply one more time. It's so weird, you guys. Like, the shadow doesn't look consistent throughout the whole entire application where I applied it. Like, you could definitely see some fade outs there. Yeah, you guys, look, it's doing the same thing here. Like, they're not consistent. It's a lot of patchiness in it. Definitely not my favorite, you guys. And I'm taking my sweet time to like blend them in, but it's just not working. Like, look at that whole patch, how weird it looks. It's just not working. You guys, I cannot get that line for the life of me. Like it just there. It's not moving anywhere. It's not blending in, and there's a whole patch there. This shade is not my favorite. The first shade, the lighter shade, it worked out so fine, but now this is just whoa, like no. Okay, so we're definitely gonna go in a little bit darker. I'm gonna start with this shade right here to dip in the crease. So I'm applying this shade on the inner and outer corners and then just dragging it onto the crease. Oh, there we go, more patchiness. You guys, it's just so patchy, like it's so inconsistent. Oh my goodness. Oh dear Lord, like look at that. Oh god, that is so weird. Okay, you guys, so now I'm taking this shade to go around the edges and add a little bit of more like yellowish tone to it. I know this is not looking so great, but bear with me. I'm trying my best to work with this palette. It's indeed a very, very patchy. Don't like the darker shade, at least not working for me. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go slightly right on top of that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ay Dios mío. I think I should stop. I think I should stop. I think I'm gonna add this shade right here onto the crease. I feel like that's not even showing up, huh? Yep, that's literally not showing up here. Okay, yeah, you guys, that's not working out for me. Let's go on to the glitter now, shall we? This is gonna cover all of this, so it's fine. We're still doing good, okay? So I'm gonna be using their glitter in the shade You Lit Up My Life. It's nice because it has this little clip on where you could close it, but it's still messy. It's glitter, I mean, it's gonna be messy. So let's go ahead and apply some glitter now, shall we? Oh, that's so much better, you guys. Yes. This gave me life. Okay, see? Now we're talking, honey. Okay, you guys, let's be honest. This glitter, it's a freaking beautiful. Like, wow. Anyways, so now you guys, we're gonna go in with our bottom shade, and I think I want to mix these two shades right here. Oh, I got on my eye. Oh, fuck. And now I'm gonna go in with that orange shade just to mix it a little bit. Oh, what was that? Mosquito on my face. Let's go ahead and start using their Rose Gold Glow Primer. Oh yeah, I definitely like broke this whole thing, but it's basically like a dropper where you squeeze the top this. How can I do this without? It's too much. It's like an oil once again, and I do love me some oil because I have dry skin. It's definitely very, very hydrating, you guys. Like, wow, hydrating. Okay, you guys, the dropper, the primer, definitely love how it feels on my skin. Like, it's so pretty, so good, but sadly I let it drop so many times that the top broke off, so it's not working very well. So look how glowing my skin looks. Whoa. And you guys, I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit of their concealer now. It's because this concealer is super, super light. Like, it's not like, I cannot use this. It's too light for my skin tone, you guys. It's not gonna work. But I did use it on my eyelids, and it did cover out very, very nicely. The way it applied, very, very nice. Just too bright for me, and I'm just gonna look like a freaking ghost right now. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of the bronzer right here. I actually feel like I did a little bit too light for me, but I'm gonna be using this one right here. Oh, they're actually perfect. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of their highlighter now. Definitely love that glow. And of course, you guys know I always love to apply a little bit on the inner corners of the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on my nose bridge. And of course on the brow. Okay, you guys, so we do have a lipstick from them, but I don't think I want to use this color. Let me just show you how it looks. I'm sorry, my hands are full of stuff. So it's like a very pretty mauve, and it's just not, I just don't like the combination with this look. So just want to show you guys how the lipstick looks. It looks super, super pretty. What I'm going to use is this shoot right here, CoverGirl and Jade Manual. Fuck, my head hurts. Okay, you guys, so this is my final verdict of the whole entire look. This is my whole entire look, by the way. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything here. I really don't like the palette. Lighter shade, of course, worked very nice, blended very nice. But then when you get to the darker, prettiest, the pretty shades that I want to work with. They just very patchy, they're very powdery. When you put in the brush, like it's just too much powder. I don't know, I just really don't like it. I wouldn't waste my money on it. And that's just my final thought, you guys. I really don't want to sugarcoat anything. I just don't like the palette. I definitely think they have a very nice outlook on this. Like the way they presented this is very, very cute. The whole theme is very nice, it's very pretty. You do get a lot of eyeshadows, to be honest, for the price, but honestly they just don't work for me. They're super patchy, as you guys saw on the tutorial. As you guys saw, I was trying really hard to blend everything. It just did not work. Yeah, I don't recommend this palette at all. I'm sorry, just don't really like it. But I gotta say, I do love the glitter, you guys. It's super, super pretty. Also highly recommend the primer if you have dry skin. This made my foundation look so beautiful. And by the way, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation, which is a matte foundation, and I have dry skin, so this made the foundation look absolutely beautiful. Like, I love definitely love it. The packaging is very, gotta be careful. I dropped it a few times and it broke off the top, and also I believe the little dropper inside is kind of dangling, so make sure you don't drop the thing because it will fuck up. But yeah, you guys, that's my final thoughts. And the palette wasn't for me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried their products, if you will be trying their products, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It helps a ton. And till next time, babes, I'll see you on my next video.